Yeah, wow. Thankfully, nothing like that around here. We're waking up to beautiful blue skies and the sun saying hello to Colorado Springs as we look on Austin Bluffs Parkway, looking west towards Pikes Peak. Right now we're at 48 degrees this morning, light northwest winds. Down south in Pueblo, around 40 degrees with, again, clear skies as the sun just peeks up over the horizon as we look eastward. Elsewhere around the region at this time, we have a couple of 30s out there in the plains for Lyman and Kit Carson. 48 is the warm spot down in Springfield, 45 for Walsenburg, and 34 in Saguache. Alamosa, you guys fell below freezing this morning with 26 degrees at this hour. Mostly clear skies and dry. Excuse me, just like my throat right now, but mostly clear skies as we begin our Sunday morning. A beautiful end to the weekend in store. We do have a little bit of moisture continuing to stream into the state. Thanks to this area of low pressure here spinning up the coast of California, it's sending moisture once again over to the Four Corners region. So we have a flow from west to east, much like we had yesterday. And this is going to fuel the storm that's coming here over the next couple of days. But it's going to combine itself actually with this cold front that you see just draped to the north in the northern plains. So eventually these two will come together over top of us by the time we get into Monday night and Tuesday, and this thing will really explode. And what I mean by that is it'll expand in size, and that'll give us a chance for rain showers Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday, possibly into Saturday morning. So it's going to be an interesting forecast in the next couple of days. In the meantime, let's enjoy today and tomorrow. Forecast, we're calling it mostly clear for today across the state. Again, you notice that flow of moisture from west to east, and we're going to look for the potential for some afternoon development. We're getting into that springtime summer-like pattern where we have an afternoon daytime heating. Starting off with clear skies, much like today, we have daytime heating, and then we have the developing of clouds in the afternoon with the potential for a light rain shower here. But again, it's west to east. We're not looking for widespread showers, widespread thunderstorms, but around the Pikes Peak region, we might see just a little shower later on this afternoon. Nothing to cancel your plans over. Highs today, 67 for Monument, 64 for Woodland Park. Warmer down here in the lower elevations. We're in the Pikes Peak region. We should see highs topping off in the lower to mid 70s. Further south you go, Pueblo, you guys might just crack the 80-degree barrier with 74 in Wetmore, 73 in Beulah. Statewide, 80s down the southeast corner here, 70s in the northeast corner, 40s, 50s, and 60s for the mountains. Now, the next couple of days, as I mentioned, tomorrow is going to be the best day of the week because look at these 80s as they start to really squeak in here into eastern Colorado. But watch as we get into Tuesday, that cold front that I mentioned, here comes the colder air. And it actually breaks itself off, kind of stalls as we get to Monday night, Tuesday, right along the Palmer Divide. That'll give us some warm temperatures for probably early Tuesday, but then the remainder of the cold air sinks on down. And then we're looking at cloudy and rainy chances over the next couple of days. Just check out these 7-day forecasts here. Now, don't be scared because we just have a little bit of a rain shower for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Again, it's just a very slight chance that we just kind of have to keep in there, but it's not going to impact any plans that you might have. Look at the temperatures, 80 for Pueblo, 83 tomorrow, 70 on Tuesday as that front starts to make its way through later in the day on Tuesday. But notice the chances for showers Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, going into Friday. The icon looks ominous. It makes it look like it's going to be an all-day washout, much like what we just saw from the flooding events in Iowa. Nothing like that by any stretch of the imagination. What it just means is that there will be a chance with us throughout the day, throughout the entire time period, and even the temperatures, Woodland Park getting down to below freezing, so we could see some impact there with a mix of rain and snow come Thursday morning.
I have a feeling many people don't really like you that much right now with this forecast for
what else
several days.
Thanks,
no,
Allison.
I'm kidding. But the nice thing is that we do have the chance of clearing out for Mother's Day weekend. And that's kind of where we want
Now
it.
my mother really doesn't like me because now I forgot, so sorry, Mom. I'll work on it. I still have 7 days.
Oh, we're off to a rough start this morning.
Man, shooter's gallery here.